then we'll go over some of the answers.
Oh, still in here.
Okay, hit play. So let's do the first one first now. Who was the first person to discover calculus? Newton, that's correct. And then the next one, who used the notation dx and dy in calculus first? What is defined as change over time? And then which rule is described there? What's the opposite of differentiation?
Integration.
And did anyone solve the dot product problem?
13.
Who expanded vectors to n dimensions? How many classes of first order diffuse are there? Or did Newton classify?
3.
Who discovered the integrating factor for a general linear differential equation? Any guesses? Good guess.
That was a good guess. You
Yeah,
get
it
lots
was
of
a-
them.
It was a good guess. It's actually Lagrange. And then the last one, why don't math jokes work in base 8? Anyone? No?
Oh.
Okay, so everyone knows a very common math joke is, why was 6 afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, 9. But in base 8,
There's no 8.
so the answer is
1, 0.
because 7, 10, 11. It didn't have anything to do with analytical math.
Cute.
Okay. Yeah.
Your parents must be so darn proud of you.
So yours is?
Yeah,
Mine says, wow, somebody brought their A game.
sensational.
Okay, so
You left us and give you the answers. Oh yeah.
we're not going to have time to go over this problem because differential equations take a while to solve, especially Bernoulli ones. I just wanted to show a Bernoulli one since they're so prevalent. This was actually discovered how to solve these by Jacob Bernoulli, and as you can see here, this is like a clean, the work for it takes up a whole page, so it takes a while, and this is with me like following this video instruction, so I didn't have any like messy work or anything like that. But I really encourage you to go check it out at that link there. Just to
Do you
see.
want to just walk through the steps?
Yeah, sure.
You can, even from the PowerPoint is fine, to explain how that's done. So if you haven't taken differential equations, that's one of the final problems on your final exam,
Yeah.
is to solve a Bernoulli
A
problem.
Bernoulli equation, it includes a lot of the elements of it. It's kind of like how to know how to multiply, you kind of have to know how to add first. It sort of is like that. And I know differential equations is used in engineering a lot to work on rates of change, because if you say you know the rate of change of something, so you know what the dy dx is, and you know a couple other things are at that time too, but you don't know what the original formula for how much liquid is in a vat or something like that. You can solve it using these things. So a Bernoulli equation in the